As the importance of climate change and carbon neutrality grows, the renewable energy photovoltaic markets are rapidly expanding. However, as the photovoltaic market grows, issues related to the disposal of end-of-life PV modules are also increasing rapidly. WonKwang S&T was established in 2014, starting with PV EPC business, including design construction and post-management of power plants. Through our work in the solar industry, we encountered many aging or inefficient modules, which led us to consider the recycling of EOL PV modules. This eventually led to our current venture into the EOL PV modules recycling business. WonKwang S&T is currently the only company in Korea that provides a comprehensive future waste resource energy solution. Based on our PV EPC business, we offer a one-stop solution that includes the decommissioning of solar power plants, the collection and transportation of EOL PV modules, recycling, and repowering. The recycling process for EOL PV modules at WonKwang S&T involves 4 stages. The first stage is the frame and junction box dismantler. When EOL PV modules are received, the aluminum frames and plastic junction boxes of the PV modules are separated and recovered. The second stage is the sealant remover. After the frames and junction boxes are separated, the sealant attached to the surface of the module is removed to minimize damage during glass separation. The third stage is the glass separator. This stage involves perfectly separating the low iron tempered glass from the solar cells without any damage, minimizing impurities and recovering high purity glass. The final stage is the crusher and sorter. Here, the solar cells and black sheet, also known as the sandwich, are crushed and sorted to recover materials such as copper alloy, silicon metal powder, and organic alloys after sorting. Through these processes, WonKwang S&T achieves a recycling rate of over 90%. There are various methods to recycle EOL PV modules, which can be broadly categorized into thermal, chemical, and physical methods. The thermal method has a high separation rate and produces high-quality recovered materials, but it requires a significant amount of energy and can cause air pollution. The chemical method allows for selective recovery of high-quality materials, but it involves the use of harmful chemicals, resulting in a large amount of waste liquid and wastewater during the recycling process. Lastly, the physical method, which is the most widely used in the industry, consumes less energy and does not generate secondary pollutants. For EOL PV modules, the typical process involves first removing the aluminum frame and junction box, then crushing the remaining parts to sort and extract valuable materials. However, this approach can lead to high contamination of the recovered materials, reducing their value and lowering the overall recycling rate. WonKwang S&T utilizes an innovative proprietary technology called partially heated separation technology instead of the conventional full crushing physical method. While the full crushing method has lower processing costs, it also has disadvantages such as lower separation rates and poor quality of recovered materials. Our partially heated separation technology allows us to perfectly separate the laminated glass and solar cells without using chemical methods, relying solely on physical processes. This eco-friendly approach enables us to recover high-purity glass and high-quality materials at a lower processing cost. For a country like ours, which heavily depends on imported raw materials, recycling EOL PV modules is essential. By reprocessing all valuable materials in EOL PV modules, including metals like aluminum, silicon, silver, copper, and low iron glass, we not only reduce disposal costs, but also secure raw materials in advance, providing significant economic benefits. Additionally, recycling 1 ton of EOL PV modules can reduce up to 1,200 kilograms of carbon dioxide, making EOL PV modules recycling a crucial component of achieving carbon neutrality. Our glass separation technology at WonKwang S&T has been awarded the NET certification, given to companies that implement innovative and superior technologies. Additionally, we have received the Green Technology Certification, which is awarded to technologies that save energy and resources while minimizing the emission of pollutants. This recognition confirms that our technology is both innovative and environmentally friendly. WonKwang S&T aims to expand its business scope beyond EOL PV modules recycling to include the recycling of future waste resources, such as secondary batteries, which have a high need for recycling. We are committed to advancing as the #1 future waste resource energy solution company, leading the recycling market and practicing resource circulation based on our innovative technologies. By leveraging innovative technologies in the future energy industry, WonKwang S&T is dedicated to achieving carbon neutrality, transforming human life to be more eco-friendly, and contributing to a sustainable human society. We will continue to strive together towards these goals.